Yo, what is up, guys? CEO Kowser here. I just touched down in Indianapolis. The reason why I'm here in Indianapolis is because I'm buying my exotic car. Let me serve as a proof of the fruits that resilience brings. I've been building beige since I was 18, dropped out of college, went all in, somehow even initially landed myself in the psychiatric ward before even seeing any progress with beige because people thought I was crazy, even my own parents. One thing one of my best friends, Shah, told me is you're crazy until you make it, right? And me buying the supercar today is not showing the world or showing myself that I've made it. It's just a stepping stone for all of the impact that's to come. To me, it is an investment in my fulfillment, but also just the networking opportunities and all of the amazing things that come with supercar ownership, right? So excited to show you which one we picked out and tell you why. We're gonna take it for a spin. We got Bryce, who's one of our amazing beige videographers here in Indianapolis, right behind the camera, doing his thing. So we're gonna get some epic shots for you guys. Let's see what Nafisa's up to.
We've been off of 2 hours of sleep, but I'm super excited to get this car.
One of my biggest intentions with this car purchase is to really make myself a better person and make myself a greater servant, right? And so, a lot of times people buy these cars or, these expensive vehicles just to flex and to show off, right? And to make other people feel less than. I want to use this as a tool to inspire and motivate others and then pave and produce that opportunity pathway, right? So, yeah, let's go. I've never been to Indiana. I've always been to Chicago. Fun fact, Chicago was the second market that I expanded to beige to right after LA in the middle of the pandemic. I think at that point, beige had maybe done 5-10 shoots in LA, but I positioned us as this big company from LA. Everyone knew that I was just selling the vision and, they took a chance on me. And so, would not be here without everyone that, believed. So for sure.
Well, sorry about this, Kaiser. Not the best impression to leave on my first shoot with you. Sorry I couldn't hop in the car with you to the dealership, but I plan on being there shortly. The drone was stolen, and I got with the security guard, and they're tracking him down on the security cameras right now. Last time I saw the officer, he was walking towards where they thought he was. So hopefully we find that drone so I can get up there and get some really cool shots of you and your new whip.
We made it.
Is this the one?
Here at the Bentley dealership here in Indianapolis. It's a hint, I'm not getting a Bentley, so let's see what we're really getting. Wow.
There she is.
That's the one. It's surreal. It's funny because a lot of times, people say it looks better in pictures.
Yeah.
Right? Or they say someone looks better in pictures, but guys, this is my dream car. So I'm excited. I want to give a big shout out to you guys. And just want to say how grateful I am to be buying my first exotic car from you guys.
Congratulations. Your dream come true.
Thank you. Awesome. Well, yeah, you want to show me the car?
Check it out.
Let's see. Wow. What do we have here, Austin?
So this is going to be a 2022 McLaren GT. So of course you got all your black accent as well. Blacked out wheels with your McLaren orange brake calipers. Of course it's got your butterfly doors. This one's of course got your upgraded Bowers & Wilkins sound system. Wow. So sounds absolutely amazing.
Oh my God, I can't believe this. This is
full carbon fiber tubs. So you'll see the carbon fiber around the entire car. Absolutely.
Yeah, let's
go ahead and fire her up.
This is it, man. This is the real deal, guys. Oh my God. I'm so at a loss for words. This is the one. This is certainly the one. This is it, guys. This is my 2022 McLaren GT. About to sign the paperwork for it right here in Indianapolis. Dream come true. I'm so grateful. Alhamdulillah. If I could do it, you guys can do it too. I'm so blessed to be in the position I am right now, but this is only the beginning, guys, and this car is only a stepping stone to even more to come. Let's put some turbo on this, man. Let's hit it. Bro, I feel ecstatic. This is literally everything I've ever wanted in a supercar. It's fast, extremely fast when you need it to be. It can cruise. You almost feel like you're in like a Rolls Royce or something, and it's like super sporty all at the same time. So this is the one. I love it. It's a great car, man. All right, let's go in and finalize this thing, brother. All right, brother. There you go, man.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Anything is possible. Today, I got my dream car, McLaren GT, sitting right outside. What did it take? It took 8 years of persistence and dedication and resilience, right? I've got knocked down so many times. I've taken so many L's with the business. So many people have challenged me. I've challenged myself in so many ways, but through those challenges, I found true growth. Through relying on God, first and foremost, to lead me towards the straight path, I've reached this destination. And so now I'm ready for what's next. So if I could do it, guys, you guys can do it too. I want you guys to follow this journey. This car is gonna be decked out. I'm super excited, super blessed. Thank you for watching this. And a special message from me to you, the viewer watching this, take that next step. Do that next thing in order for you to shift your vision to reality. CEO Cows are out. Peace.